All right, welcome back to the channel. We're starting it off.
Starting what off?
Starting off the next adventure.
Oh, where are we going? On this lovely day. Okay, and go. Nope, you're watching me. You ready? Thanks for joining us on another lovely, So, this kilometer, the loop takes around 3 kilometers. Penny. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on this beautiful sunny day. Today we're going to take a tour of the Bruce Caves Conservation Area, which is located just east of Wiarton. It is about approximately a 3-kilometer hike, and it takes around approximately 45 minutes. That's depending on how adventurous you're feeling and how much touring you want to do. So, you know, I hope you enjoy this video, and it looks like Penny's ready to go. Ready to go? All right. Like, I was looking at that rock and I was like, that's a cool rock wall. And then all of a sudden I started singing, to the window, to the wall. This is how my brain's working today.
I go right to rock lobster.
Rock lobster. Thank you. That's another one.
That's a big rock. But it wasn't a rock. It was a rock lobster. Hi, Barbara.
Oh, Barbara.
Oh, Barbara.
Why do you got a difference?
Did you write on there, Barbara? It's pretty amazing. It's so crazy that that's just overhanging.
This trail might not be for the faint of heart. Icy. See you in the... What's this one?
Pretty amazing, right?
Pretty rad.
Right in our own backyard.
Reminds me not to take this for granted.
No.
How awesome.
Yes, definitely don't take this for granted. If you've never seen this, you should.
What do you think, Penny? Do you like it? You like it?
We just wanted to bring you in here and show you some of these cool formations. Where's that go? Oh, this is... It always looks so much different in the winter than it does in the summer. So cool. There we go. It's a bluebird day. Yesterday was crazy snow and wind, but today's really nice, beautiful blue skies and not too bad temperature, so just wanted to get outside and get some exercise. You never know what's in your own backyard. Remember that. You can have tons of beauty all around you. You just got to get out and find it. Oh, let's go up in here.
I find you.
I find you.
I want to give you Penny so you could do the Lion King. Penny
This thing's covered in ice right here. I'd rather,
Penny doesn't want me to give you Penny
no,
to do the Lion King.
I'd rather not.
She'll just patiently wait right here for you. Even though she's the bestest, most goodest hiker.
Yeah, she is. Good girl. Okay, let's continue on the trail.
And also to remember to wear appropriate footwear for these adventures.
Mm-hmm.
Little baby.
Oh yeah.
Wonderful to see bears today. Or fresh bear tracks.
But it has been pretty mild, so watch out for bears.
We did see bear tracks on our last hike, which was only a couple days ago.
Yes, we did.
So,
Okay, let's continue. Ooh, looks like we found a cool spot. See whether we can get through to the other side.
down. You can go up.
Can you get down? The hell was that? What are you breaking?
Yeah, so I have to jump. There's a big hole, and you have to jump, and then you can't get back up because there's a big gap. You can do it. It was me. You can go your own way, just like the song.
Oh. Choose your own adventure. You chose down.
Which way do you want to go? Yes, samesies.
She chose down. Oh yeah, there is a big hole right there. Ooh, gotta be mindful of that one. Wee. Oh. All right.
See, it's a big jump. It's a big jump. to climb back through the trees, and the crashing sound that you heard was me taking a slide down that.
Oh, I was wondering what the hell. I thought
Not to be mistaken for a pole.
Yeah, I literally thought it was a bear. I'm like, I can't hear you or see you, and I'm stuck in a crevice.
Shows how graceful I am.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's pretty awesome in here. So many cool trails to come and explore. Oh, baby, this is skinny in here. Oh, get skinny, get skinny. Oh, where am I here? Oh, hello. All right, we found some sunlight and some icicles. Oh, constantly looking under rocks. You never know what's sleeping or hibernating or resting underneath there, and you don't want to find something that you don't want to wake up. Like in that hole. We'll head back onto the main trail and keep on cruising. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe.
I like how at the same time I said, which way do you want to go? And then you were like, she toes down, but I said keep.
It's like someone's ready to go.
Hey CP, you did so good. Notice how she's not even fighting it. You did so good. Penny just wanted to say thanks for watching. Thanks for coming with us on the. No, let me do it again. Cut that out. And what she means to say is thanks for coming with us on this hike today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.
Somebody's tired. Somebody's a little tired after the walk today. Penny? There you are, baby. A little tired? Yes, you are. You had a good hike. You're just falling asleep in the kitchen.
Some of us don't get to drink coffee, right? Sorry.